going to do an old family classic. This will be lasagna in a pan. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to use these. The other day they worked out really well. It's those no bake things. The no, you don't have to boil them, get them soft. The lasagna noodles. And here I have ricotta and cottage cheese. With the other three kinds of cheeses here. We got Parmesan, mozzarella, and sharp cheddar, provolone, of course, and the cottage cheese and ricotta. So I'm going to start with the sauce. I started putting these things in. The sauce actually is just a spaghetti sauce that I've made a little thicker. And I put mushrooms in it, and I didn't put any beef in it. Beef to me just kind of took away the taste of the sausage, the Italian sausage, because I didn't season the beef before I put it in there, for one. So, it's in here. I swirl it around like that. And if you guys have seen the video for the spaghetti sauce, you'll know why I didn't go through the spaghetti sauce mess, because of the length of time required to make it. And if you have not seen it, shame on you, go watch. This is a cup each, roughly, of the cheese. Actually, going to, at the end of the video, I will throw out some numbers for you about how much this costs to make. And it's actually not bad. A cup of it didn't go as far as I thought it was going to. This might be a little more expensive than I let on originally. Because I like a lot of cheese in my Italian stuff. This is, like I said, sharp cheddar. It may take away from the Italian cheese a little bit, but I doubt it. I'm not going to put an overpoweringly amount of the Parmesan on here. No, that, believe it or not, is not overpowering. Four slices on it like that. And some dollops of this stuff, because it's going to melt and smash out. It's like a pretty thick layer, doesn't it? Maybe I'll skimp up on the rest of them. But when I make this stuff here, they just go nuts. Even coat that out a little bit, somewhere in the middle, maybe to all the corners. So I'm kind of painting about that sort of thing. That on there. Pull out another 4 slices of this. Now you can crisscross these; it'll hold together a lot better. I'm not. I'm just kind of piling them on. But the soupiness of the sauce here, because it is a little soupier than I wanted, because I remembered what kind of noodles that I was using. So I didn't, I only used 1 can of the paste. Because I wanted it to be a little more moist, because of the no-boil noodles that I'm using. Yep, that's it. We're gonna have to use the whole 2 cups of that. try the extra ingredients of this, so you can tell how well I measure stuff out. Because here I am on the last layer and I'm almost out. Also going to have to open up that other box. This is okay because I eat this. I can eat this stuff, wow, all the time. Sorry about the minor break. That took a little bit longer than I wanted to take to find the other lasagna noodles. And then, of course, I've been standing there talking to myself for like 3 or 4 minutes because I forgot to turn the record button back on. So I'm going to throw on some more. And this is the top layer, so you can do what you want, make little designs on it, or little ricotta poopies, you know, whatever you want to do. And this does not have, I'm kind of skimping on this thing here because it's a family deal. You don't have to use as much cheese, or you can use more cheese, and you know, it has to be your dish if you want to make it. I did stick to the 1 cup of cheddar because, you know, well, it's a yellow cheese, so it's going to be a little different on that, but I needed something for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 5th to 6th cheese. So I got 6 cheeses in here: ricotta, cottage, provolone, sharp cheddar, Parmesan, and that other one that you saw me putting in there. So I've got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to drop this in, and then I'll let you know what it comes out to. Alrighty, as promised, here it is. Just a simple flip of the wrist. Ooh. And check and see if an hour was enough to get. So yeah, once this is cooler, it will set up a little better, and you won't have to worry about all the soupy stuff being the bottom. But oh my god, that soupy stuff. That is the lasagna. See? Oh, one more thing. This runs about $3 a bag for cheese, so that's 6 cheeses, 18. The noodles are about $2 a box, believe it or not. Went through about a box and a half of that. I only used about half the cheese, so 9. That includes the ricotta, because ricotta is normally pricey. The tomato stuff was fairly cheap, about $3 for the sausage. So you're looking at about 16 bucks, but you can get 2 suppers out of this, or you can feed, like, I don't know, 9 people really well off of this. So this comes out real good. It's fairly economical. It's a very, very good meal for the money. So for under about 20 bucks, you fed 9 people. That's a bargain. And speaking of feeding hungry people, I got 2 grandkids and a daughter, and they're dying to grab a big bunch of this and poke it in her face. So, as always, see ya!